second video in the series, we are going to start talking about how you actually create or find a kit to use, assigning a kit, and then different ways that you can use Gimkit. So as you can see, I'm just on the gimkit.com page. I'm going to click login since we've already created our account. I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to click my account, and now it will just log me into kind of our home page here. So here's where you have your kits. Now you can see where it says new kit here, or it says search for kits. So you have two options. You can create your own kit, or you can search for a kit that somebody else has already made. With the Gimkit Basic, creating your own kits, you can create up to 5. Now, currently with everything going on, they've increased that limit to 10. Usually it is 5. You have an unlimited amount, though, of searching and using someone else's kits. So let's kind of run through both. If I hit new kit, I first have to name it. So let's just call it math. I'm going to leave my language as English and my subject as math, but you can change that. You can search for a photo if you want, or you can just pick a photo, any photo that you see here. So let's just click this one. Now I'm at add question, create with flashcards, continue with Kit Collab, add from question bank, or import from spreadsheet. So if you have your own questions already maybe in a spreadsheet, you can do that. You can add from a question bank. I usually go straight to add with question. Remember, Kit Collab is like if you want to allow your students to be able to add questions, which that would be a great way to use that as a review. If you want your students to, create a Gimkit to review, you could have your students create the questions. So you click add question, you type in your question, you can add your photo if you'd like, and then the correct answer is always going to be what you put at the top. That doesn't mean that it shows up at the top. It mixes up the order every time, but you put your correct answer at the top and then all your other choices here. So let's just do what is 4 plus 9. And I'm going to put my correct. I'm not going to add a photo. I don't add a photo to a lot of them, but there are some times when instead of maybe typing in the question would be difficult since it's math, I choose to add the photo. So my answer would be 13, and then incorrect. Let's just put a bunch of numbers and add. So now you can see this is my first question. You always have the option over here to keep editing. So now if you click, let's say add from question bank, you can search from either kits that you've made previously, or you can search from people's different kits that they've made. So let's say I'm doing operations with integers. Let's see what happens here. So I've got a lot of options. So if I go maybe to click on the first one, I want that question. So I just click the add button right here, plus sign. I want this one. And you can see it gives you the right answer and then all the other answer options. Again, the right answer will always show up first, but that is not how it shows up in the actual game. So if you want to add all the questions that you see, just click add all. Now you're back to your questions. When you feel like you are completely done, you would hit finish kit. And now here is your kit in your dashboard. If you're ready to play, you'd hit play. If you want a couple more options like opening it, editing it, making a copy of it, if you want to add it to a folder, I really don't create folders because, again, I have the free version, so I really only have about 5 kits at a time. Now, the other way that you can do this is you can search for a kit. So let's say I just wanted to do operations with integers, and I can search. And every kit that you have, every kit that's been made with that title is going to come up here. So you've got so many options, and it tells you the number of questions. You can also scroll through the questions. The only thing when you are using someone else's kit, you are not able to edit. So like when I hit my 5 question limit, if I want to play, let's say I want to, not even if I hit my 5 question limit, if I want to play this game, I can click on it and I can click play, but I can't edit this exact one. Now what I can do is I can copy it so that if I copy it, then I can edit it. But if you're already at your 5 limit, then you can't copy another kit. You can also click show answers if you want to see what kind of answers there are. So in this video, we covered how to create your own kit and how to search for a kit. In the next video, we are going to cover how to actually assign and play a Gimkit and then different ways that you can use a Gimkit in the classroom.